Hello everyone, in this video we are discuss vendor agreement. What is vendor agreement? Vendor agreement is a legal document defined under the Indian Contract Act 1872. It sets the provision regarding the quality of services to be provided, cost, liability, duration and other conditions to be fulfilled by the vendor. A vendor agreement in India is an agreement which defines the condition and provision of work that is to be performed by the vendor. The term vendor is typically used in describing the entity that has paid for the goods that are provided. The primary points in this include the time, date and location where the services should be provided. If a person, a seller or in vendor business, then there are many cases when he or she might requiring a document of vendor's agreement. In India, such as agreement services as a composed insurance between the two parties with the mutual consent. A person required to have an agreement with his/her customers or his/her provider when he or she is into customer or supplier business transaction. A vendor agreement is usually made when the business of a person is small and he or she have couples of services or product for sale. What is the negotiation for a vendor agreement all about? If in case the application is negotiating with any familiar business partners, then it is eligible to be closed and finalized with just a simple handshake, but most likely properly written agreement is the highest quality level vendor agreement, since the guarantees accounts, deposit and finance and much more are included in the vendor agreement. The simple way to get a vendor agreement finalized among the involved parties required some preparations, first class introduction and clear discussion on the key highlights. What are the advantages of a vendor agreement in India? Increase in efficiency. With a vendor agreement, a person can clearly determine the security policies, financial and other important data that is to be required for the same, which helps in increasing efficiency and also develops an efficient supplier and vendor relationship. Risk identification and management of the vendor. Through a vendor agreement, there is a complete description of the duties, regulation, rule and identification of the risk of vendor is properly defined. What are the essentials required of a vendor agreement in India? The great structure of a vendor agreement, particularly the terms and conditions in a very clear and concern language for the composition of an excellent vendor agreement. Documents the person applying is required to follow the first step to cover everything that will be required and necessary for the